No specialty tools are required to install Everlast siding. For sawing Everlast planks, use only a fine-tooth vinyl or plywood blade. Only exterior-grade screws or nails should be used, such as aluminum, stainless steel, galvanized, or other corrosion-resistant fasteners. Number 10 siding screws or electro-galvanized roofing nails are most commonly used. The fastener head diameter should be 3/8 of an inch to 7/16 of an inch. The fastener shank should be a maximum diameter of 1/8 of an inch. The length of the fastener should depend on the thickness of the sheathing used. However, the fastener must be long enough to penetrate into the studs at least 3/4 of an inch. The Everlast seam bracket and screws are also required. Each seam bracket kit contains 25 brackets and 115 screws. Only use Everlast seam brackets and screws to join Everlast siding planks. If needed, comparable screws can be used. Number 8 by 3/8 of an inch stainless steel type A. Do not use screws that will penetrate into the substrate.